Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 19th block, which is soil. Yes, and in this, we have learned the uses of soil, the layers of the soil, and also we have learned that in soil has water and air in it. Isn't it, children? In the third topic, and in the fourth topic, we are going to learn the formation of soil. How does this soil formed? Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 120. Okay, so how does the soil form? Soil is formed by from the rocks. Okay, when the rocks break down into smaller pieces, then the soil is formed. And how do it form? So because of the heat of the sun, the big rocks will be having some cracks in it. Okay, can you see in the first picture? Cracks. And when it rains, the water enters into the cracks. In the second picture, can you see? And in the winter, because of the coldness, because of the freezing temperatures, the water becomes the ice. It becomes solid, it becomes ice. And because of that, the rock get separated more and more. And finally, it breaks. Okay, when the strength between the rock in the cracks becomes weak and weak, then it breaks. Okay, and this process of forming soil from rocks to soil is nothing but weathering of rocks. It is called as weathering of rocks. And if you see, children, a rock turning into soil requires millions of years. Okay, it's not that one summer it got racks, the next rainy season rained, and next freezing winter season it became ice and rocks. No, it takes millions of, it's a very lengthy process. It has to go through so many summers, so many winters, so many rainy seasons, then only the rock breaks. Okay, not in one summer it get breaks. Okay, children, it takes longer period of time. It takes millions of years for the rocks to break into small particles and to form soil. Okay, so in the content book also you have the formation of soil the same way. Yes, and if you come to, did you know, children, it takes about 500 years to form 2 centimeters of top layer of soil. Okay, so for 500 years only 2 centimeters. You have your scale, isn't it? Can you find from 0 to 2? That length of soil is formed, not the all layers, only the top layer. Okay, that is your first layer which has humus, so that layer. Okay, so in that way we can say, how we can imagine how many years it has to take to make the soil, isn't it? So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork, and read the content in your content book, the topic formation of soil. Underline the keywords, and if you find any other keyword word which is difficult for you, you can make it that also keyword. Write it in your classwork and please learn it. Okay, coming to your question answers. What is weathering of rocks? Name some factors that cause rocks to break. What is weathering of rocks? That is the rocks breaking down into smaller particles to form soil, isn't it? So that is called weathering. So that's what you like. So with what it is breaking down? It's because of the heat, the sun, the rain, and the wind, the cold. Okay, so all these make the rock break into soil. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question. Why do farmers not use the same soil for growing plants as used for making pots? Okay, so we use soil for making pot, and also we use soil for the farming. Why? The crops grow in the soil only, isn't it, children? From the soil it get nutrients and it grows. And the soil which we use for pots or the bricks, the soil is different. Why? Because different soils have different uses, different properties they have. Based on those properties we have different uses. Okay, the soil which we use for pots or for bricks don't need nutrients in it, isn't it, children? But the crops which we grow should get nutrients so that it grows neatly. it grows healthily, the crop grows healthily. So that's properties of the soil which we use for farming, we require different, and the properties the soil to make a brick or a pot are different. So based on the properties of the soil, we have different uses. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 18, S4, formation of soil. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block, children, and in the next class I'll meet you with the new block, and the skill sheet of this block I'll be sending you after the formative exams. Okay, so for exams, learn the revision properly, write without mistakes, spelling mistakes especially, leave some space in between, and write it, children. Okay, so all the best for your exams, children. Bye.